Today we're talking about the one thing that's your best marketing tool, your absolute best, 100% hands down, forget about it, best marketing tool. This is episode 1109 of the Daily Sales Message podcast, where every single day I share a piece of simple and actionable advice that's designed to help you feel more confident and sell more stuff too. Now, your absolute best marketing tool, 100% hands down, forget about it, is the conversations that you're having with your potential buyers. Those are your marketing, because in those conversations, people are telling you what they like, what they don't like, what they don't understand, what they do understand, what they wish your offering would have, what they're surprised it already has. It's your market research. The conversations you have with your potential buyers are the absolute best way to understand what you should or shouldn't be saying about your offering and what you should or shouldn't be doing and putting in your offering. So now that we live in the future, we have AI and ChatGPT and transcription and all this cool stuff, with the permission of your potential buyers, if you record as many conversations as you can, feed them into an AI and look for patterns, look for revelations and things that you can use, it will help you to adapt and shape not just how you talk about your offering, but what your offering actually is too, and responding to what your buyer wants and giving them what they want. That's literally the name of the game in business. That's it for this episode. There's over 1,000 episodes of this podcast. Search for Daily Sales Message on Apple, Spotify, Google, wherever you get your podcasts.